Time to get up. Oh, the light. Oh. Fine, Mom, I'll get up. What you just saw was the automatic shades here. This is our mechatronics project for the year. And this shades, it works using an IR sensor, a thermistor, and stepper motor and driver to drive these shades. What you just saw was the manual mode working up and down, and we also have the automatic mode, which is currently activated. So it works by us using a photocell sensor on the back. And right now I have it thinks it is nighttime out, and I'm going to take a flashlight here, and you'll notice if I just quickly go over it, it's not going to set off the sensors. Instead, it has a delay built in so that it can prevent it from being set off by headlights in the middle of the night or anything like that. But as the sun comes in and hits the sensor, the delay will give it a few seconds and it will raise automatically. This is made so that you can just sleep in and have hands-free automation and be woken up to sunlight at any point in the night. And additionally, we've added another feature with the thermistor here that allows the shades to automatically close when it gets too warm in the house. So I'm going to demonstrate that by heating up the thermistor here with my finger, in which it automatically, after delay, will go down. Once again, we have the delay so that it will not go off automatically, and that will go down with time. So there we go. Now it thinks it's too warm while it's still night, and as you do that, I can take this off and it will remain down. So this is our project for the automated shades. We're very satisfied with it and hope that you guys enjoy it.